Subject Physical Education for Class 12, Unit 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic types of fractures. These are the some types of fractures and we have to discuss one by one. Number one has come complete fracture. Complete fracture means when bone totally breaks down into two pieces. Second one has come incomplete fracture. Incomplete fracture means bones is cracked or partly breaks up. Next one has come the green stick or hairline fracture. In this, when bone is bent with mild cracking, the bone does not break completely. That is the condition of the green stick or hairline fracture. Next one has come comminuted fracture. In this fracture, bone is the broken up into many small pieces at the site of fracture. It is very typical fracture also. Next one has come impacted fracture. Impacted fracture means the bone broken, or we can say the broken bone is driven into another broken bone. That is the condition of the impacted fracture. Or we can say other bone or other part of the bone is sudden impact. Next one has come the transfer fracture. This type of fracture is caused due to breaking of bone at right angle with the axis of the bone. Next one is stress fracture. Stress fracture means a stress fracture is also known as hairline fracture. It is caused by ruptured stress over time. It mostly occur in jumps events. Bone is pressed from the corner and it causes partly damage to bone. That is the condition of the stress fracture. Next one is the oblique fracture. Oblique fracture means in this fracture that in which the bone breaks diagonally oblique, fracture tends to occur no longer bones. Next one has come the compound fracture. In this, breaking of bone along with dislocation. And last one has come complicated fracture. In this fracture, bone is crushed. Moreover, the delicate organ like brain, heart, liver, kidney, etc. are damaged by it. So these are the some fractures has given. Through that detail we have to know about the types of the fracture. Thank you.